Hi, we're going to talk about this weird notation that looks like this. And sometimes you see something, a number in there, or maybe you see some other thing with X's. So we're going to work on that. So I'm just going to make a standard stand-in kind of function. Let's do 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. So this x, let me get my pointer here. This x right here is an input, and f of x processes that input and makes an output. So when we see f of 3, that means 3 is now the input. So f of x means x is the input to f, which is a function. F of 3 means 3 is the input to f. So we're changing the input in all of these cases. So when I do f of 3, every time I see the input, which is x, I'm going to put a 3 there instead. It's a good idea to use parentheses because if you have a negative sign in there, it could goof things up. Same thing with this f of x plus 1. X plus 1 is now the input. So I'm going to my original f of x, copying it down left to right, except every time I see the input, I'm going to put the new input there. And I'm going to run out of room. Barely made it. And here's f of negative x. It's the trickiest one. Looks like that. And all of these you would want to simplify after you're done. So since negative x times negative x is positive x squared, this becomes 3x squared. Negative 2 times negative x is positive 2x plus 1. So this would be your answer. For the last one, I didn't simplify the others, but they should be simplified as well. That's it. Bye.